Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Quora app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. As I'm using iPhone, let me go to App Store. If you are Android user, then you can go to Play Store. Here on search bar, search Quora and tap on source button on keyboard. Now here tap on get button. Now it starts downloading. Tap on install button. So now it starts downloading. Now you can see open button. So tap on open to open Quora app. So in this way you can download Quora app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.